Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys a quick do-it-yourself project. Not too long ago, I did a video where you can make these really fun paper fringe embellishments with different shapes. And in that video, I shared with you a tag, and on the tag had a cute little bow made out of a cupcake liner. So I had a few of you comment down below on that video wanting to know how to make the cute little bows, and I'm going to show you guys in this video how you can make one as well. It's really easy. These are the cupcake liners that we're going to use. You could use any shape, but they do come in all different patterns. You can get these in your party shop supply. You can get them in your local supermarket. So these are what we're going to use. Well, I'm just going to share with you one size. And when you assemble it, these are the cute little bows that we're going to make. And these are just so cute. And then you can add these to your projects. You could also make them as cupcake toppers, like I've got here. I just added a little toothpick to the back and just punched out a little circle with a little circle punch just to cover the backing. And then you can then match it up with your cupcake liner when you have your cupcake. For example, you'll have your cupcake in your liner, and then you can sit that on top of the cupcake to match it up. And I just think that's a really cute way to decorate your cupcakes as well. This is the larger cupcake patty, so you know, it just looks really cute like that. And then I also made the bow on a little gift bag, tote bag, and I just placed it on the front here. And I think that turned out cute. And I also then made a matching gift card to place inside in the bag, so the gift card can go in here or here. And then on the other side of the pocket, you could place a couple of tags, and you can use those tags to write your message to the recipient. And I just think this is just a really cute way to gift a gift card to somebody with a little matching bag or tote bag. And I just placed the little bow to the front here, and I will do a video to show you how you can make this cute little tote bag, and also the measurements and how to make the gift card to go inside it as well. So I will do a video for you on how to make one of these, but I'm going to show you how to make this cute little bow now. So what you need, you do need your cupcake liners. So the bigger your cupcake liner will be, the bigger your bow will be. But that doesn't matter as well, because you can trim your bows down. But I'm going to use this size here, which is, I'm not too sure what size, but in case you want to use the same size, in centimeters, it is about 5 centimeters in diameter, or it's about 2 inches. For the size. So that's just to give you an idea. Okay, so to make these cute little bows, just put this to the side, you're going to need 2 pieces of your liners, so you'll need 2 of those. And what we're going to do is you're also going to need some glue, some liquid glue if you have. And also I'm going to use some washi tape. You can use washi tape, or you can use just some strips of some paper. That's just for the center piece here. So you just need a little piece of strip about 2 inches long and about I guess about 1/4 of an inch wide. So you'll need that, but I'm going to use some washi tape, and this washi tape is a bit too wide for me, so I'm going to cut this out first and have it ready. So I've got here the gold one, so I'm just going to cut a strip of that. And because it's a little bit too wide, I'm just going to cut this in half, and that way I'll have 2 pieces that I could use for 2 bows. But I'm just going to use the one strip for now. So I'm just going to put this to the side. Alright, so now we're just going to assemble the cute little bow. So you'll need 2 of these. And what we're going to do is we're going to press it down, just like that. And we're going to basically fold it in half. So you want to just press it down, just like that. And then we'll do the same to the other side. I'm pressing that down as well. Sorry about the crackling noise if you hear it. Okay, so you'll have 2 of those. Now we're going to grab the first one and we're going to bring one side up. And you want to sort of fold it over back to the middle. And then we're going to bring the other side and fold that over on top. And just making sure the ends meet. So you'll form like a sort of little fan shape. And we'll do the same to the other side by folding that up to the middle. And then again just bringing this side over and making sure the point and the edges meet up. So you've got 2 of those. We're just going to use a little bit of liquid glue, and we're just going to seal the part that we would just fold over, just to keep it closed so it doesn't sort of fan out. So do that to both of your pieces. If you hear that little pitter-patter feet, it's my little dog. He's under my legs. He's stepping on my foot. He's trying to get my attention. Alright, so you'll have 2 of these. And you just need your scissors now. We're just going to just trim off a tiny little bit of that part where you've got the point. Like just a tiny bit, just like that. And then do the same to the other side. Just trimming that off. Now we're just going to grab your glue again, grabbing one of them and just placing a small amount of glue to the end here. If you can use some good glue, that would be good. This is nice glue. It dries clear and it doesn't warp or leave any residue. And so you've got your glue there, and the part where we've sealed, make sure they're both the same facing up. You're going to overlap one over the other, just trying to make sure it's a little bit tacky, and we're just going to join it like that and let it sit till it dries. So this one's going to take a few seconds to dry, so I'm just going to put this one to the side and grab the one that I've already that's already set and dry. So this one's already dried. And what we're going to do now is we're going to grab some glue again and place some glue to the middle there. Grab that little strip of washi tape or your paper and just let it set in the middle. You can use your glue gun if you like. I tried with the glue gun, but I found the glue gun was a little bit, the glue was a little bit too bulky and it would set too quickly, whereas with the liquid glue you've got time to be able to adjust your your liner and your center strip of paper as well. So when you've got that, you're just going to then just bring that around, glue that to the back. I'm using glue with the washi tape as well because I find also the washi tape sometimes isn't as strong when you adhere it, so the glue just gives it extra strength. And then again, just applying glue to the back, and you're just going to just meet that up. You can go around one more time as well if you want to make it more secure, but I'm quite happy with that. So then we're just going to cut off the excess tail end. So So the glue is still a little bit tacky, so I've got time to just play around with the little band in the middle. So that joins your cute little bow. At this point you can keep your bow like this if you like the width this wide. I like mine a little bit smaller than the width of that because I like to use them on my projects. So then what I do is, so again, if you want to keep it like that you can, but I'm going to just trim off the edge a little at a time until I'm happy with how wide I like my bow, which I just go over along here, and I'm just going to just follow the edge of the liner and just curve it around and trim like that, and then doing the same to the other side, trying to get it the same width where I'm cutting. So I still like a little bit shorter, so I'm just going to trim a little bit more. So I'm happy with that, and then that is really all there is to it. So that's my cupcake liner bow all complete. So again, if you're using the larger size, your bows will be a little bit bigger, but again, you can just trim it down, or you can fold your, for example, you can fold your paper. I'm just trying to grab one on it. So you can, when you fold it in half like we've done with the other one, so when you fold it in half, you might want to be able to overlap it a few times, so you can go once, twice, and then go again. That way you don't have a wide bow. So that's what you can do with the larger size. So you can just play around with the size of your cupcake liners to the size of your bow when you're done. But these are just the way I make my little bows, and I think these are fun. These are great to work with, and I hope you give it a go. And again, I will do a video tutorial on this one, hopefully in my next video, if not the one after. So I do hope you enjoy this do-it-yourself bow making tutorial, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!